Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll be learning how to make your animation look more lifelike. The basic thing is spacing in animation, which makes things look lifelike or unlikely. So in order to understand spacing in the most simplest terms, we'll draw a timeline like this. The first portion of the timeline has more lines, more dots, and the space between the dots widens as the lines move forward. I'll draw a ball for every dot and we'll see how it turns out. So you can see that the ball moves slow in the beginning and gains speed as it moves forward. If we throw a ball, supposedly in baseball, when we throw a ball, it's slower in the beginning when it's in the hand of the pitcher, and it moves fast as it moves forward because things gain speed. So spacing is how much of a difference you make in each drawing, and if the difference is bigger, the motion is bigger. If the difference between the drawings is bigger, there is more space. If the difference is smaller, it's less space. Now in this timeline, there is less space in the beginning, more space in the middle, then less space, and then more. And let's see how the ball turns out again. If you keep less space in between the frames, they'll move slower, smoother. If you give more space, they'll be faster, and yeah. Now let's understand with some examples. Now here is a boy who is kicking. Now if you can see, the first few frames is just the stance, and then I take 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frames to complete the kick. Now let's see how it plays. Yeah, so if you can see, it's playing nicely. The kick is not gaining that momentum. Now if I remove one in between and adjust it, now let's see now the kick is more life. The leg moves away from a body, it becomes fast. Now another example, a boy picking up a hammer. So if a boy tries to pick up a hammer, it will start applying the pull pressure, and as soon as he is able to pick it up, it will become faster, and then as it's in the air, the hammer is heavy, so it will take like a second or two, and then the hammer falls again. If I draw all the in-betweens while the boy is picking up the hammer, it will be really smooth and unlifelike because the hammer is heavy. You can't be smooth with it. So there's a jerk to it from position A to position where the hammer is in the air, and then when the hammer falls down again, it won't be smooth because the hammer is falling down. It will be fast due to gravity. There will be less pitches in the falling down sequence as well. So in simple terms, if you want to give a jerk to your animation, if you want to make it more lifelike, if you want to make it faster, appear more faster, then you have to create less spaces. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any doubts. I'll be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching.